Breaking news. Matchain teams up with Paris. Saint-Germain FC Matchain is proud to announce its partnership with Paris Saint-Germain to create the Matchain x PSG Joint Innovation Studio, dedicated to bringing cutting-edge Web3 experiences to the sports community worldwide. In addition, Matchain will serve as PSG's exclusive digital identity partner, collaborating to build an AI-powered decentralized identity infrastructure for PSG's global fan base. The Joint Innovation Studio. Matchain and PSG will work together to develop groundbreaking technological projects that aim to revolutionize the sports industry. These projects will deliver innovative solutions to transform fan engagement, offering personalized experiences, exclusive loyalty rewards, and immersive events, all powered by Matchain's blockchain. To celebrate this partnership, an exclusive NFT will be available for you to claim in the Telegram mini app for 48 hours.